the grace of Almighty, we are listening Valmiki Ramayana in English. Let us first of all call Jai Jai Sri Radhe, Jai Jai Sri Radhe, Baake Bihari Lal ki Jai, Baake Bihari Lal ki Jai. Om Namah Parvati Pate, Har Har Mahadev ki Jai. ममेष्टा जगदम्बे श्री महालक्ष्मी मात की जय। महालक्ष्मी च विद्महे विष्णु पत्नी च धीमहि तन्नो लक्ष्मी प्रचोदयात्। ओम हिरण्यवर्णार्णीं स्वर्णरजतसजां चंद्रां हिरण्मयीं लक्ष्मीं जातवेदो मयावह। महालक्ष्मी नमस्तुभ्यं सुरेश्वरी, हरिप्रिये नमस्तुभ्यं दयानिधे। ऋण रोगादि दारिद्र्यं पापं च प्रत्ययं भय शोक मनस्ताया नश्यन्तु मम सर्वदा। Now coming to Valmiki Ramayana, Ravan commanded, let his tail be set on fire at once and let him return with his tail burnt. So wrapping up the tail of Hanuman in cotton tatters and soaking it in oil and lighting it up, the Rakshasas, as urged by Ravan, took Hanuman round the city to the accompaniment of music. पूंछ में आग लगाकर हनुमान जी को गाजे बाजे के साथ शहर में घुमाने लगे। हनुमान जी विचार करते हैं कि सर्वेषामेव पर्याप्तो राक्षसानां युधि किंतु रामस्य प्रीत्यर्थं विशिष्य अहम ईदृशम। मैं इन सब के लिए पर्याप्त हूँ किंतु श्री राम के लिए ये सब सहन करूँगा। I am strong enough for all the ogres taken together in combat. Still, for the pleasure of Shri Ram, I shall suffer such humiliation. Let the Rakshasas freely bound me again and cause pain to me by setting my tail on fire. An ogress, एक राक्षसी ने, informed Sita that the monkey is being taken round through the streets with his tail ablaze. Tormented with the grief to hear this report, which was as cruel as her own abduction, kidnapping, she became solicitous for the welfare of that great monkey. The devout Sita approached the god of fire with the following prayer. यदि अस्ति पति शुश्रूषा, यदि अस्ति चरितं तपः, यदि वा त्वक एक पत्नीत्वं शीतो भव हनुमते। हे अग्निदेव, यदि मैंने पति की सेवा की है और यदि मुझ में कुछ भी तपस्या तथा पातिव्रत्य का बल है तो तुम हनुमान के लिए शीतल हो जाओ। ओ फायर, if service rendered to my husband has any value, if austerities have ever been practiced by me, or if there is exclusive devotion in me to my husband, please prove cool to Hanuman. मृगनयनी सीता के इस प्रकार प्रार्थना करने पर अग्निदेव शांत भाव से जलने लगे एवं उनकी शिखा प्रदक्षिण भाव से उठने लगी। Thereupon the fire began to burn mildly with its flames rising to its right as a token of propitiousness. हनुमान के पिता वायुदेव भी बर्फीली हवा के समान शीतल होकर बहने लगे. Though brought into contact with the fire of the tail, the wind too, the procreator of Hanuman, blew ice cold. Hanuman began to think. दह्यमाने चलांगुले चिंत्यामास वानरः प्रदीप्तो अग्निरयम् कस्मात् ने माम दहति सर्वतः. While the tail was burning, Hanuman thought to himself, how does this fire ablaze on all sides not burn me? Hanuman burns the entire city, sparing the abode of Vibhishan. Hanuman began to flit over the tops of houses in Lanka like a cloud charged with lightning. गृहाद गृहम राक्षसानाम उद्यानानि च वानरः. He passed from one house to another, surveying the pleasaunces and mansions of the ogres Rakshasas. Through contact with the wind, the very mighty fire grew out with great rapidity and blazed like the fire of universal destruction. हवा का सहारा पाकर वह आग प्रलयकालीन अग्नि के समान हो गई. राक्षसों के शरीर रूपी घी यानी चर्बी की आहुति पाकर ज्वालाएं उत्तरोत्तर बढ़ रही थी. Fanned with the wind and inflamed by ghee in the shape of fats of bodies of the ogres, shot up to the sky and appeared like fire at the time of universal dissolution. प्रलयकाल के समान. It can be said युगांत काल अनल तुल्य रूप है. Hanuman sees Sita once more and bidding adieu to her takes a leap over the sea. Hanuman with dauntless power, valor, crosses the once more and offers the money to Sri Ram. तो राम क्या करते हैं? राम तम मणि हृदय कृत्वा रोद सह लक्ष्मण. राम उसे छाती से लगाकर, उस मणि को छाती से लगाकर रोने लगे. Pressing that jewel on his bosom, Sri Ram wept with Lakshman. Well, I know this tender token Janak placed it on her ear when she came as my bride, decked in beauty, rich and rare. Well, I know this sweet memorial Sita wore it on her head. श्री राम हनुमान जी से कहते हैं, Speak again, my faithful vessel, how my Sita wept and prayed like the water to the thirsty. Dear to me, what Sita said. Hanuman, my friends and comrade, lead me to distant isle where my soft-eyed Sita lingers midst thy Rakshasas dark and vile. Speak again, दोबारा बोलो, दोबारा बोलो, दोबारा बोलो. Speak again, my faithful human Hanuman, loving message of my wife, loving message of my wife. Like some potent drug, her accents renovate my fainting life, renovate my fainting life. Arm thy forces, friends who grieve, Ram shall not brook delay. While in distant Lanka's confines, Sita weeps the livelong day. Martial force thy bannered forces cross the ocean in thy might. Ram speeds on wings of vengeance, Lanka's impious lord to smite. So we have heard how Shri Hanuman burnt Lanka. Ravan was thoroughly frightened by the deeds of Hanuman. He called a council of war. All the advisors advised war heedlessly. Lekin here in the camp of Shri Ram appreciates Hanuman with delight. कृतं हनुमता कार्यं सुमहद भुवि दुर्लभम मनसापि यद अन्येन न शक्यम धरणी तले. हे हनुमान, तुमने ऐसा कठिन कार्य किया है जिसे इस धरती पर कोई करने की सोच भी नहीं सकता. You have done a marvelous work which could not be done even in thought by any other person on the surface of this earth. Saying so, Sri Ram, whose limbs were thrilled with delight, embraced Hanuman. Hearing the detailed report of Sri Hanuman, Sri Ram fixes a propitious hour, Shubh Muhurat, for the marching of his forces for Lanka and perceives good omens. शुभ शकुन दिखाई दे रहे हैं. Hearing the command of Sri Ram, Sugriv gives the detailed orders to the monkeys. उधर प्रहस्त, the commander-in-chief of Ravan, who resembled a dark cloud, काला बादल जैसा था वो क्या करता, assures the death of Sri Ram and others. He says, देव दानव गंधर्वा पिशाच पद गौरवः सर्वे धर्षितुम शक्या किम पुनर्मानवो रणे. The gods, Danavas and Gandharvas, friends, birds and serpents, all are capable beings overpowered by us in an encounter. Then what is the power of a couple of human beings? All Rakshasas are boasting each of his own strength. अब वज्रदंष्ट्र आता है, वो कहता है, वो सबमिट्स टू रावण ए ट्रिक, चालाकी बताता है वो. काम रूपधराः शूरः सुभीमा भीमदर्शना राक्षसावा सहस्त्राणि राक्षादिव निश्चितः. कैपेबल ऑफ अज्यूमिंग एनी फॉर्म एट विल, कोई भी रूप धारण कर सकते थे वो at will. The most formidable and terrible to look at, इच्छाधारी राक्षस मानव रूप धारण करके राक्षसास will speak to राम. राम जी से क्या कहेंगे, प्रेषिता भरतेनेव भ्रात्रा तव यवीयसा, भरत जी ने ही हमें भेजा है, ऐसा कह देंगे. ट्रिक है, चालाकी. We have been dispatched by your younger brother Bharat himself. Thus Ram will order his army to march. Then, taking our stand in air, we shall attack on the monkeys with a mighty hail of stones and missiles. फिर कुंभकर्णस्ततो वीरो निकुंभो नाम वीर्यवान. अब वो जो निकुंभ क्या कहता है, अब्रवीत परम क्रुद्धो रावणम लोक रावणम. Extremely enraged, the heroic and powerful son of Kumbhakarna, Nikumbha by name, submitted to Ravan. Lok Ravan means one who makes all people cry or weep. ये है लोक रावण का अर्थ है कि सबको रुलाए, वो लोक रावण है. वो कहता है, अहम एको हनिष्यामि राघवम सह लक्ष्मणम. I shall kill single-handed, अकेला ही, Ram and Lakshman. Then another Rakshasa named Vajrahanu, who looked like a mountain, पहाड़ जैसा था, submitted as follows. वो क्या कहता है, licking his lips with his tongue in rage, ऐसे. करके एको अहम बक्षिष्यामि, एको अहम बक्षिष्यामि ताम सर्वाम हरिवाहिनीम स्वस्था क्रीडन्तु निश्चिंता पिबन्तु मधुवारिणीम। I shall devour, खा जाऊंगा, alone, अकेला ही, single handed the whole army of monkeys. So you drink wine, Varuni, दारू पियो, getting free from anxiety, don't worry. Another Rakshas named Mahaparshav, ये बड़ा दुष्ट था, submits and instigates Ravan to rape with Sita. न पिबेन मधु संप्राप्य से नरो बालिशो भवेत। शहद पास में होते हुए भी जो नहीं पिए वो मूर्ख होता है। That man is a fool who even after having honey does not drink it. बलात् कुक्कुट वृत्तेन प्रवतस्व महाबल आक्रम्य आक्रम्य सीतां वैतां भुंस्व रमस्व च। मुर्गे की प्रवृत्ति से बार बार आक्रमण करके सीता का उपभोग करो। Act in the manner of a cock, using force, assaulting Sita again and again. Enjoy her and revel with her. Certainly here on this occasion मानना पड़ेगा कि रावण is wise, क्योंकि this type of cruel advisors are found everywhere in every yuga. It depends upon your discretion. Intelligence should be used, considering the results of such reproachable, heinous acts for a momentary pleasure. Fools are spoiling their life and the life of their family also. Not only family, but such persons are defaming the whole of our country, becoming vulture. They torture girls till the point of death. The gang rapists are defaming our country. हमारा देश तो क्या है? The land of incarnation, अवतार भूमि है ये. India is the only land of incarnation in the world. Even if the gang rapists are hanged here, the story does not end. The trial court of Yamraj is still pending. In Haryanvi language, the punishment of Yamraj is still as follows. अब हरियाणी लैंग्वेज सुनो, धीरे धीरे सुनना। तेरा जीवड़ा ने जमड़ा क्रोध कर कर कुट्ट रे, गुरजारी धड़ा धड़ चोटा सु थर ताड़ वो फुट रे। गदा की चोटा सु नाड़ियां तड़ा तड़ टुट रे, तड़ा तड़ टुट रे। जमड़ा नरक में डालेंगे, किड़ा कागला चूटे रे, किड़ा कागला चूटे रे। एक दो दिन की बात नहीं है, जुगो जुगो तो कुट्टे रे। तेरे ही अन्यायी से, ध्यान देना, तेरे ही अन्यायी से थरा करमड़ा फुट्टे रे, थरा करमड़ा फुट्टे रे। भाई बंद कुटुंब कबीलो, क्या भाई बंद कुटुंब कबीलो थू 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 करके रूठे रे। ओ गैंग रेपिस्ट्स, in the realm of Yamraj, you will be beaten by heavy masses, गदाओं से. Then you will be thrown into hell, wherein the crows, worms and vultures, जैसे तुम गृद्ध बने थे ना, will bite you, prick you constantly for a long period. All of your kinsmen and relatives will be cursing you and repulsing and disdaining you all the time.